Hello, welcome to the house of R. I was cleaning and sorting my cars and I found these two on dubious broken cards. So let's just open them and add them to my Bugatti collection. Let's see here, nothing to hang on the wall. 1932 Bugatti Type 50. Good glue. And there's the first one. Look at that. 2 spare tires back. That is so cool. Old Bugatti Type 50. Alright. The second one in green and flames. 2 spare tires, golden rims. Beautiful car. Alright, that was the 2 Bugattis. Gonna have a photo shoot. And please subscribe if you haven't. Put a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit the notification bell so you get a warning each time I release a video. See you later. And there, they have found the spot with the Bugatti collection. Next time, we have to open these two.